Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're interested in seeing how I made the shag jacket for my niece, please stay tuned to watch.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another shag jacket, and we're going to be doing it for my niece. She is turning 1. So I went and found her this little pink jacket. It may be a little big, and then it may not. If it's a little big, it'll still be okay, because y'all know kids grow into things, and then coats, you really don't want them snug like that. So this will be something good for her to just throw on, and then it'll probably hit towards her hips maybe. So we're going to make this rainbow colors, and I also order her some shoes to go with it, and I'm thinking about making her some pants to go with it as well. But this is what it looks like. So we're going to be making her a little shag trench coat, and we're going to be doing rainbow colors. I'm not sure. I thought about doing like a little heart in the middle, like right there, and then the color surrounding it. But I don't know. We're going to see how that goes and how that works out. If not, then it's going to be completely rainbow colors. So you guys have already seen my videos and how I do this. I have them up somewhere. You guys see them. So I'm not going to go into great details about it, but I'm going to go ahead and basically show y'all the process of me making a little girl shag jacket. So without further ado, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get this started.
It ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were more than you could manage. Manage, yeah. Oh, we want me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life. All night you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry. Wasting my time the whole time, so just be. If I was you, take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me, know you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, what you're doing is just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. Going on. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I went more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're open with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life. All night you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry. Wasting my time the whole time, so just be. If I was you, take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me, know you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, what you're doing is just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. Going on. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I went more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're open with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me
This is a jacket that I made with a hood for a customer of mine who had just so happened to see the jacket that I made for my niece. So this is kind of the same exact one, but with a hood on it.